Hi, 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 hi. I'm Austin, and this is my little sister, Cody. Say hi, Cody. She's shy. Cody loves me. What's your favorite color? She's shy. She don't want to talk to you. She's so cute, though. Look at those big brown eyes. I mean, they're huge. And I'm embarrassing her, too, but she's my sister, so I love her. Yeah. She loves me. I love her, too. It's not what you think, I swear. Those with perverted minds out there, I swear it is not what you think. Cody, seriously. It's not what you think. But yeah, I have really cool ringtones, yeah, and a really cool phone. See, here's my phone, and I have these really cool ringtones, you know, and I can sing along with them too. Yeah, I'm gonna sing along with them. In the body world, life is plastic. It's fantastic. You can brush my hair. Undress me in the air. Imagination, life is your creation. Just my change. My papa. No kitty, get back. No kid, my papa. Mom, kid, be a dodo. But I know a certain kitty is sleeping with mommy tonight. What? That was Cartman from South Park. Yeah, he's totally hot. He's drop dead sexy. She moves her body like a cyclone when she makes me wanna move it all night long. Going lights on, moves her body like a cyclone, like a cyclone. Like a cyclone, and she makes me wanna move it all night long. Yeah, they play that one at Super Skate, and it's like really fun to skate too. I think it's like super fun. I love skating too. My friend Colette showed me a dance